Good evening. It's 15th of June, I think. I'm on a train coming back from Ilkley, more my tat, and looking at the green grass of England. Oh, well, hold on. I'm going to do an upload at Ilkley, but I forgot. So I'll just give you the view on the train on the way back of these beautiful country of ours. Yeah. That reminds me of a Paul Wells song that he did, um, Above the Clouds, I think. And they were,
The next station is Menston.
all right, and they were coming back from his parents' house, wherever that was, and he saw, well, he was feeling down like I sometimes do. And that's what he was on Grocer when he wrote that. Hold on, slowing down. Let me pause it because oh, we're at a train station. I think I'm on looking through my phone now. I hope you can see it. Hold on. So we're now at a train station. Been to Ilkley. Yep. And now I'm on my way home.
Welcome to the Bradford Forster Square train.
Mm-hmm. Sorry,
The next station is Guiseley.
And nearly home. Do you know what I mean? In a fun day, I've done nothing at all because I am good at doing absolutely nothing. So I forgot about doing what I went to Ilkley for. So now on the train, I remembered that why I went to Ilkley, and so all I can do is give you the train view. Sorry, hold on. Beep 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 beep. Right. Well, I haven't gone far, and it was a train. Um, but it's going zoom, and looking through a tunnel. I hope you get that. Yeah. So I've had a good day doing nothing, absolutely nothing, which I am really good at doing nothing. Most people are good at doing nothing, but I'm better than them because I'm. What is it? Are you good at doing nothing? No, I am. Whatever. Moods, cows. Hold on. Yeah, so
The next station is
hold on.
Guiseley.
Let me turn it around. The green grass of England or Yorkshire. Might be going a bit fast for you to get it. Va-va-voom. But
No, there is kitchen, but we're spreading it across people. Yeah. But I've still
it's England's Irish, this. In it.
You sound really
Irish.
proud.
It's our country.
Yeah. So
If
we're all
people want to
sharing the
come
kitchen.
here and
Everyone
don't
gets some hours.
assimilate or integrate,
Yeah, and you'll be doing some bar stuff.
why come to England?
Cool. Enjoy Bauer.
I don't know. And there's none for me to have an opinion being a scruffy white child from England. Anyway, we're at another train station. And I don't want to offend anyone, so I'm going to end it there. Good night, God bless.